Okay, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so what's your answer for our second question, A part?
I got y equals to 2x plus 3.
Okay, this one. And for B part?
Yx equals to negative 1 over 2 plus 9.
Okay, so let's check. This is the equation of the line. For parallel, the condition is that the slope should be equal. Here, the slope is 2. So we have to check for which equation the slope is 2. For this one, it is 2. So your answer is correct. For perpendicular, the condition is that the product of both of them slope should be equals to -1. Yes, this is correct. Okay, what's your answer for third question, A and B part?
I got a y equals to 3 over 2x minus 2.
Okay, and for B part?
I got y equals to negative 2 over 3x plus 11.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct. And for the fourth question?
I got y equals to negative 10x plus 11.
Okay. For B part?
For the B part, you didn't give me that.
Okay. Okay, so you can do it right now, the B part. Then we'll do it. Fourth question, B part.
I say y equals to negative 1 over 10x plus 4.
Okay. This is incorrect. Please check it again.
Is it y equals to 1 over 10x plus 5?
Yes, because product of both the slope should be equals to a -1. Here the slope is -10, and you told me this equation, so its slope is -1 over 10. So 10 and 10 will be cancelled. Minus minus will make +1. So answer will be +1, but it should be -1. So this one will be correct. -10 into 1 over 10. So 10 will be cancelled out. So we have -1 as the answer. So the product of the slope should be equals to negative. Okay. Okay, so do you know how to do a differentiation?
Yes.
So when we have to do differentiation, like dy is written as dy over dx. So this is also the way to calculate slope of a line. See, we have covered these formulas to calculate slope of a line. First one was the vertical distance over horizontal distance. Then when the line was passing through the 2 points, so it was y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And when the equation of the line is given, y is equals to mx plus c. So we represent the equation in this form, and the coefficient of x will be the slope. So these are the three formulas which we have covered to calculate gradient. But let's say the equation is like this: y is equals to 3x square or 2x cube minus 4x. So here a vertical distance and horizontal distance are not given, so this formula will not be applicable. The line is passing through the 2 points, so coordinates of the 2 points are not given, so this will also not be applicable. And here we have y is equals to mx plus c, means there is a variable, but its highest power is 1. But here we have different powers. Here the power of the variable is 2. Here the power of the variable is 3. So in such type of question, we prefer the differentiation. So when you do differentiation of a equation of a line, like y is equal to 3x square, or you find a dy over dx, so that is known as the gradient of a line. So if you know the differentiation, please tell me what will be the answer of the first one. Y is equals to 3x square.
I am not sure.
Okay, so the differentiation. Okay, let me write some formulas. So when you do differentiation generally is denoted by dy over dx. So when you are doing the differentiation of x, so your answer will be 1. If you are doing differentiation of any constant term will be that term in which x is not present. So that will be equals to 0. And if you are doing the differentiation of a term whose, let's say, power is n, so its differentiation will be nxn minus 1. So these are the 3 formulas which you have to remember while doing the differentiation. And these formulas will be applicable in such type of questions. That if only x is present, then its differentiation will be 1. For the constant term, the differentiation will be 0. And if, let's say, the x term has the exponent as n, so first we will write the exponent, then the variable, and then reduce the exponent by 1. So let's say I'm doing the second one firstly. So it is y is equals to 2x cube minus 4x. And if we have to do differentiation, so y differentiation will always be dy over dx. You will write 2 as it is. You have to do differentiation only.
So from that d is the first for example the first number for 2x squared. So you say 2 times the 3 that is above the x, and then times it by x, and then times it by the n minus 1.
Yes. Let me give you one more example for the better clarity. So let's say if I'm writing 2 examples, y is equals to 2x square, let's say, and the other one is y is equals to 2 plus x square. So now the difference is this 2 is in multiplication with x square and this is in addition. So when we do differentiation and there is any constant term with the multiplication of the variable like x square, so you will write the constant term as it is and then do the differentiation of x square, that is xn. Then the formula is this one. First you will write the exponent, that is 2, then the variable, and then reduce the exponent by 1. So this will become 4x raised to the power 1 or 4x. But if the constant is not in multiplication with the variable, like in this one, so it's a differentiation. So now this will act as the constant. So 2 is constant, and we just covered that the differentiation of a constant term is always 0. So the differentiation of 2 is 0 plus, and then we apply the formula with this 2x 2 minus 1, that is 2x raised to the power 1, or you can write it as 2x. So whenever a number or a constant is written with in multiplication with a variable, so then it will not become 0, because at the end whole as a whole it is a variable term, because variable is present with the constant, and here both terms are different. One is completely constant term and the other one is the variable term. So that's why its differentiation was 0. But here this 2 is in multiplication with variable, so it cannot be 0. So you will write in such cases, you will write the constant term as it is, and you will do the differentiation of the variable. And let's say it was like x square over 2. So if it is in multiplication or in division, so you will write the constant term separately and then do the differentiation. But if the constant term is in multiplication, sorry, in addition or subtraction, then the constant term will become 0. In multiplication and division, you have to separate the constant term and then do the differentiation of the variable. But if it is in multiplication and addition, then the differentiation of constant term will become 0 because no variable is attached with the constant term. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. If you want to write anything, you can write. Then we'll go.
I want to write this one down.
Okay.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
Okay. So, yes, now try. Now try the first and the third one.
I'm done, sir.
Okay, what's your answer for the first one?
I got 6x. 6x, yeah, 6x. And then for the
6x.
second, yes,
Okay, for the for the third one,
I got 24x cubed.
okay, yes, both answers are correct. So now let's move to the question in which there are more than one terms, like question number 5. Please try question number 4 and 5. Yeah, you're saying something, Jasmine?
Can you please excuse me? I want to do something quickly.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, I'm back, sir.
Okay. Now try question number 4 and 5.
Okay. I'm done, sir.
Okay, what's your answer for the question number 4?
I got 10x to the power of 4 minus 8x.
Yeah, correct. And for question number 5?
I got 16x cubed minus 9x squared minus 10x.
Minus 10x or plus 10x?
Minus 10x.
So how will you get minus 10x since it's a positive term? So plus, and then 2 will be multiplied by 5. So plus 10x. It will be plus 10x. Okay, so now let's try the fractional part, like question number 9 and 10.
Okay, sir, I'm done.
Okay, so what's your answer for question number 9?
I got 1/5 times 4x cubed plus 3/4 times 3x squared minus 2/5 times 2x.
Okay, and for the 10th one?
I got 1/16 times 4x squared, cubed. Minus 1/3 times 3x cubed.
3x cube or 3x square?
Squared.
Okay.
Plus 17 over 25.
Okay. Okay, so first thing is that you have to write in the simplest form and the end, and the second thing is you can see that the 17 over 25 is the constant term. There is no variable with this term, so its differentiation will be 0. This will be 0 because there is no variable attached with it. And 4 over 16 we can cancel out, so we will have 4 in the denominator, and this 3 will also be cancelled out. So our final answer will be x cube over 4 minus x square.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
Yes, man. Which one shall I start? Is it money or finance or the indices?
Money and finance.
Money and finance. So, okay. So after the session gets over, so please click the picture of this chapter from your book and share in the group. If
Okay.
yeah, okay.
But some of them were already sent. Yeah, all of them were already sent.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you please repeat?
All of the money and finance things, I already sent them to you. The things that we
So
have done.
so can you tell me how many pages are of this chapter in your book?
Um, um, so there is there are 6 topics under money and finance. No, 7 under money and finance.
Okay, so if you can share all of them, it's good. Or if you can share some of the pictures, it will also be good.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now fx is equals to 2x square minus 3x cube. So now if we they will not say now that they do the differentiation or do anything. The question will be that the find the gradient of the curve when x is equals to 1. So it doesn't mean that you have to simply substitute the value of x is equals to 1, because y is fx means this is the value of y is equals to 2x square minus 3x raised to the cube. So differentiation is, sorry, gradient is not y, gradient is dy over dx. When you do differentiation of this equation, you will get the gradient equation. So this will be 4x minus 9x square. And if you have to find the exact value of the gradient, so the condition is given that x, we have to find the gradient when x is equals to 1. So after doing the differentiation, you have to substitute the value of variable, that is 1. So dy over dx will become 4 into 1 minus 9 into 1 square, that is 4 minus 9. So the gradient will be negative 5. So that's how we will calculate the gradient.
So sir,
Yes, Jasmine.
so the all the x are replaced with a 1, right?
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
so what if only one has x? Do you also just do that and then also subtract or plus them like normal? Or I'm done, sir.
Okay, what's your answer for the B part?
I got 329.
29.
Yes.
And for the C part,
No, 329.
329.
Yes.
Okay, and for C part,
I got 70.
okay, so let's check. First, you have to do the
Oh,
differentiation. So it's differentiation
17.
17.
Yes.
Okay. So it's a differentiation will be 12x plus what 24x squared minus 7. So when x is equals to -4 and x is equals to -4, it will be 12 into -4 plus 24 minus 4 minus 7. That is my. So if I take the help of the calculator, so 24 into 16, 384 minus 55, yeah, 329. This is correct. And when x is equals to 2/3, so plus 24 into 4/9 minus 7. So this will be cancelled out 81. And so that is 67.9. I'm getting 11.66 for this one. For the
For the first
C
one,
part.
when you
Yes,
cancel, it's supposed to be 4 times 2, and you got 1.
yeah. So it will be 18.66. Sorry. Yeah, 17.66.
But minus 7.
Yeah, 17.66. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, these three are your homework question. If you can take the screenshot of this. Have you taken the screenshot?
I'm struggling to take a screenshot.
Okay. If there is problem, it's all right. I will share in the group if there is some problem. Okay, you are on mute, Jasmine.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so Jasmine, please share the pictures of the chapter after the session. I have covered almost every topic of this chapter, but I have to cross check according to your book also. So you have shared, just a second. So